Here's my collection of air horns. First one there is off a Freightliner truck. The second one is off of a 70s Freightliner truck. We got my train horns right here. Got some little chrome trumpets up there. I don't really like them too much because too much of a high-pitched noise when you hit them. Then you got these two red ones here. Bought them from Canadian Tire. It gives it a decent sound. Kind of sounds like a freight train when you link them both together. This is what I've been working on. Finally hung up all my light bars on the wall. The one on top is the Code 3 Force 4. Second one down is a Federal Signal Street Hawk. Third one down is a Code 3 MX 7000. The next one down is a Code 3 LP 6000. And the bottom one is my newest addition, the DNR Prowler LED light bar. And then over onto that shelf is my collection of beacons, strobe lights, rotating lights, including that one there. But there we have it.